Imagine spending thousands of dollars on a car today, only to find out that in just a couple of years, it'll be completely useless. Shocking, right? Well, with the EV revolution, new emission laws, and rapid tech shifts, some cars are headed straight for the junkyard of history. In this video, we'll count down the 7 cars that will be useless by 2026. Stick around till number 1, because that's a car people still buy in massive numbers. But in just a few years, it might become nothing more than a headache. Our countdown starts with number 7, the Chrysler 300. Once considered a luxury sedan for the masses, this car is now officially on life support. Chrysler has confirmed they're pulling the plug after decades of service. Why? Because the gas-guzzling V6 and V8 engines just don't make sense in a world moving toward EVs. By 2026, it'll be completely outdated, with no spare parts, no support, and let's be honest, no resale value. If you're driving one, enjoy it while you can. At number 6, we have the Nissan Titan. Nissan tried to compete with the Ford F-150 and Chevy Silverado, but failed miserably. Sales have been declining for years, and Nissan has already announced production is ending. Trucks are evolving into hybrids and EVs, but the Titan never kept up. In 2026, it'll be the forgotten pickup. Outdated tech, poor fuel economy, and nearly zero demand. Number 5 is gonna hurt muscle car fans. The Dodge Challenger and Charger in their gasoline form. Dodge is going electric. Their future is the Charger Daytona EV. That means the iconic Hemi Vibe 80S will disappear forever. By 2026, owning one might feel cool, but driving one daily will be impractical. High fuel prices, strict emission rules, and maintenance costs will make them useless for everyday use. Collectors may still love them, but for the average driver, forget it. At number 4 is another American legend, the Chevy Camaro. General Motors has already announced they're discontinuing it in 2024, and by 2026, it'll be history. Once Ford Mustang's biggest rival, the Camaro couldn't keep up with sales. And with GM shifting focus to EVs, the Camaro is destined to be a memory. Buying one now is like holding a ticking time bomb, because spare parts and support will vanish faster than you think. Number 3 might surprise you, but it is the Toyota Avalon. Toyota is axing its large sedan lineup because the market is moving toward SUVs and hybrids. Even Toyota admitted that Avalon's sales have tanked. By 2026, the car will feel like an oversized relic, replaced by hybrid Camrys and electric SUVs. It was once a symbol of comfort and reliability, but now it's just irrelevant. At number 2, we have the Mitsubishi Mirage, one of the cheapest cars you can buy new. But cheap doesn't mean useful. The Mirage is slow, outdated, and has been discontinued in several markets. Mitsubishi is barely surviving in the US, and by 2026, this car will be nothing more than scrap metal. Sure, it's affordable now, but when parts and service vanish, it'll be one of the most useless cars to own. And finally, number 1, the Jeep Cherokee. Once a pioneer in SUVs, it has fallen far behind. Jeep has already stopped production due to poor sales and shifting focus to electrification. By 2026, the Cherokee will be completely irrelevant. What was once a family favorite will turn into a liability. Expensive to fix, outdated in design, and with no future support. Jeep's future is in EVs like the Recon, not in old gas models. So, those were the 7 cars that will be practically useless in 2026. Some were legends, some were mistakes, but all of them share the same fate: irrelevance. Which of these shocked you the most? And more importantly, do you own one of them right now? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you love cars as much as we do, don't forget to subscribe to Auto Tales for more automotive stories, countdowns, and deep dives. Because the car world never stops evolving.